This thing's... Keep doing it to make the lights move. Your spring is on there.
The floor creates energy. Try to fill the power by running in place.
Yeah, we can run in place and see if you can light up the pole.
Yeah. See? Keep going.
I'm tired already? Alright. Yeah?
You gotta floss the teeth. Remember, you can sit in here. That's the lights.
Or if you go on that one, you get eaten. Look at that one, has braces.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, Piper, there's x-rays. You can be a doctor over here.
Bro, it lost it too. Wait. What?
Yeah, you can be a doctor. Look, Piper, there's a lab coat you can wear.
Is the heart, I'm guessing?
This is the heart. These are the lungs. I guarantee.
Oh, I don't know. I'm going to have to go see what these x-rays look like. Oh, somebody's arm.
What's that?
That's your lower area.
Oh, like. This is a leg. What's this again?
Piper, look.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, look at this scale. Want to get on the scale? No, I'm a doctor.
Dr. Piper. Dr. Piper.
So big.
Oh, yeah. The baby's in the incubator. He slams her.
Ow. My hand.
Whoa, to shoot some out. That was going up there. Oh, they got all different ones, huh? That's cool. I can't even keep up with it. Whoa! Did it get you? Here comes the train, Piper. See the little penguin exhibit? Well, not by much. Honestly. A little casino. Oh, I don't need to be riding in the ambulance no more. Soaring Beagle Casino. Huh?
Oh, look at it go.
Okay, I'm coming.
You gotta get someplace where I can take your picture.
See, Piper, when I still had mine, I had that building, I had that gas station, I had a few of these. Yeah. Fortunately, when we moved, a lot of stuff got damaged. Mario's Pizza. Oh, a little bit of yellow something. No, don't. I know you like the horses, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a broken train track. Right. 2 broken train tracks.
Yeah. Is there a drive-in theater? Yeah, with this little screen going.
This is so
Whoa.
This is where the car.
Hey, look at are they camping over here?
Where's camping?
Don't touch anything though.
Ice cream shop.
Yeah.